Claims adjusters, have you ever wondered about the importance of dashcam surveillance footage in accident cases? Do you know how this silent observer can impact the outcome of your claims investigation? Well, let's delve into the matter. Surveillance footage, in its silent yet observant role, can be a game-changer in accident cases. It serves as an unbiased storyteller, documenting each moment leading up to, during, and following the accident. It lays out a clear, unaltered sequence of events revealing crucial details like the point of impact, speed of the vehicles involved, and other contributing factors. But the role of surveillance footage doesn't stop at mere documentation. It also brings to light the dynamics of the accident. This involves the movement of vehicles, the behavior of drivers, and external factors like weather conditions and road infrastructure. Providing visual context, surveillance footage can uncover critical details like traffic violations, actions of the involved parties, and the overall conditions at the accident site. And what about the role of surveillance footage in verifying eyewitness testimonies? While eyewitness accounts can be valuable, they can also be subjective, influenced by individual perspectives. Surveillance footage acts as a factual, unbiased source of information, capable of corroborating or challenging these testimonies. This additional layer of verification can bolster the credibility of your case. In situations where conflicting narratives arise, surveillance footage can be the unbiased mediator. Each party involved in an accident will naturally have their version of events, but the impartial lens of a surveillance camera can help resolve these conflicting narratives, proving particularly beneficial during insurance negotiations and court proceedings. And when it comes to claim and legal proceedings, the credibility of your evidence is paramount. Surveillance footage, with its objective and chronological account of the accident, can enhance the overall credibility of your claim and contribute to more favorable outcomes. In essence, the importance of surveillance footage in accident cases cannot be overstated. It offers an objective, chronological, and visual account of the accident. As a tool in the pursuit of just compensation, this evidence can tip the scales in favor of those seeking justice. So, as you navigate the aftermath of a motor vehicle accident, remember the pivotal role of surveillance footage. Understand its relevance and the profound impact it can have on your claim investigation. This silent observer might just be the key to unlocking the crucial information you are looking for. Try us at www.ifootage.com.